According to an article from CNN, it is a good time to be a homeowner, and that global housing prices are currently 4% above their 2008 peak, with Dubai topping the list of the hottest real estate markets in the world, with a 28.5% increase in real estate value in the last year. Chinese Weibo users weren't too responsive to Dubai. However, they had a lot to say about China, which came in at number 2 on the list. The article said that the average housing price in China had increased by 21.6% in the last year, and that despite attempts by the authorities to cool the property market, it remains red hot. The list reasons that real estate has traditionally been a popular choice for Chinese consumers looking to expand their portfolios. And with limited investment opportunities, there won't be a lack of demand anytime soon. The article also mentions that hundreds of millions of Chinese will be expected to move from the rural areas into the cities over the next decade. But it doesn't go into detail on whether people should invest in first, second, third, or fourth tier cities. And now let's take a look at what Chinese Weibo users had to say about coming in second on the hot properties list.
Dubai's housing price is even higher than that of mainland China. This gives Chinese real estate tycoons more reason to push up property prices, gain face to become number 1. There is no doubt that China's housing bubble has inflated to an unsustainable size. Even China's top real estate tycoons are warning of the dangers, and Li Ka-shing is cashing out of mainland China. China's high housing prices created a whole new social class. The house slaves works tirelessly day and night just to pay off their mortgage. He has no time and energy for any other pursuit in life. Isn't it impressive that Chinese people who are paid a fraction of what most Westerners are paid are able to buy homes that cost millions of American dollars? I find this simply amazing. I guess I'll just live in a tent. There is no way I can afford homes today, and even less of a chance to buy them years down the line. Soon China will have to push out multi-generation loans so that my son can help pay for the house mortgage when I'm dead.
There's no doubt that China's property market is hot, but that doesn't mean it's without bubbles. Also from CNN, an article from last month pointed out that new home prices for September rose at its fastest pace in 3 years, and that real estate prices in Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen rose by 16%, 17%, and 20%. Many Chinese consumers are starting to describe the price of Chinese real estate as ridiculously high, given the quality of the construction in Chinese-made homes. According to The Economist, China's big developers and state-owned newspapers are also beginning to express fears of a property bubble. Of course, there are some people, including Weibo users, who believe that the property prices in China can increase almost indefinitely, or at least achieve sustained moderate growth due to the country undergoing massive urbanization. But if you follow the money, many of China's real estate tycoons, such as Wang Shi, chairman of China Vanke, or Wang Jianling, chairman of Dalian Wanda, all warn that the country is experiencing a property bubble.